The conclusion of the second and final day of the Cultural Development Foundation's Fundamentals of Emceeing workshop brought together aspiring and emerging hosts for another dynamic and insightful session. Veteran MC and lead facilitator Gilroy Hall was joined by respected journalism and marketing professional Barbara Jacobs-Small, who added a fresh dimension to the day's discussions. Mrs. Jacobs-Small encouraged participants to engage in meaningful introspection.
So today I did a module that is titled From Self to Stage, the MC as Brand and Bridge. And the objective of it is to help the participants situate themselves within the event itself, to understand what their role is. And sometimes, if we do not have the right guidance, we think we are the show. We don't understand that we bring the show, that we have objectives that we have to accomplish. But to fundamentally understand that, to be able to be an effective MC, you first have to know who you are. You first have to know what your value proposition is as a personality type. So I focused on understanding what is your mic personality, and then in that personality, that it comes with its own strengths. But it also comes with areas where there is a sort of growth edge that we must find. What are the strengths of that personality and what are its weaknesses?
CDF's Director for Training, Promotion and Development, Tracy Dolce, expressed her satisfaction with the strong level of engagement.
The session was well attended. We had approximately 32 people who participated, who will be receiving, in fact, certificates of participation. The participants are very excited. Some have said, hey, we need a registry, we need a network to be created of MCs so that as events come up, whether it be a private individual or an entity can call us and say, we need an MC, and we can share their names. The participants were very thrilled not only to know, for instance, about how do you prep, but how to apply their brand to MCing.
The workshop created a safe and supportive space for attendees to build confidence, voice their challenges, and share deeply personal insights on the sector.
You have to understand where this is coming from. We have had to fight to get respect in this industry for so much years. And Barbara could tell you that, Isaac could tell you that. So to see now that persons are actually acknowledging this as not just anything, and it's something that deserves respect at the highest level, where we can form bodies to reignite or set rules and laws that this is who we are, this is what we are, and we are not just anybody.
So solidify what Marine said. Right now, we get a certificate, we can charge more.
The CDF hopes that this initiative will expand the pool of trained MCs available for national and community events. Gina Filippi, HDS News Force.